Here at the Seaview Hotel in Townsville. The hotel's been around since 1929, overlooking the fabulous ocean and also onto Maggie Island. We get a huge mixture of our clientele. Obviously we're a fan destination for locals, but we're also a highly sought after spot for transient people, whether they're in town for business, in town for the Cowboys games or any of the sports actions, or just enjoying our lovely weather on a school holiday period. We nominated ourselves for the multiple awards, one of them being Best Beer Garden in Queensland, which we were fortunate enough to take out this year. Last year we won Best New Gaming Room at the QHA Awards as well, so pretty happy with both of those accolades. The hotel's always been pretty busy, but with these recent renovations, I think it was close to $10 million spend. Proof's in the foot traffic now, like people are coming. We're heavily focused on live sports at the Seaview Hotel, secondary also live music. So with our beer garden that can seat close to 600 people, 2 dual big screens out there between NRL, AFL, rugby union, you name it, UFC, live main event boxing, we've got it all out there. And then when we don't have live sport, obviously we have live music. The area we're standing on is our restaurant bar, so predominantly food based. To the left of us is our sports bar, which used to be our gaming room, which was a bit of a waste. It's the most iconic part of the building. It's the oldest part of the building. So to get that back as a bar, have people to be able to sit on the corner there and oversee Magnetic Island was very rewarding. Upstairs used to be a nightclub many years ago. We've only ever used that as a function space. We rent that out probably 2 to 3 nights a week, whether it be for 21st, recently a couple of weddings. Probably the furniture that we put up with prior to that was constantly breaking down, being replaced, a lot of mismatched furniture. At this stage, the first lot of furniture we put out in the beer garden, that would have been the best part of 2.5 years ago. It's still standing, it's obviously in the elements of rain, weather, sunshine, and I said high volume of foot traffic, and it's all still standing. We can capacity out at 750 people in here on any given night, and that's just at one time. So the turnover of our customers is huge. We don't count the people that come through our doors, but I'd hate to know that number. So yeah, we really needed something classy, durable, and Nextrend has been able to provide that for us. It's like anything when you walk into a venue, the presentation of the venue is everything, from our furniture, our flooring, our walls, our TVs, and my staff. It all adds up to a first impression, and our furniture is a big part of that.